In this tutorial, I will show you how to send broadcast to your messenger list. Broadcast is a powerful feature that allows you to send a message to multiple subscribers at the same time in an automated manner. It helps businesses to send announcements, discounts, updates, and notifications to their contacts. To send broadcast to your messenger list, you need to create your broadcast flow using the right messenger list topic. Note that this flow will only be sent to contacts that subscribe to the messenger list topic you selected. Let me show you. Here we come to the end of this tutorial. Thank you for watching.